So I want to know your take on how long newer law firms, or not necessarily newer, but anybody who's interested in making the leap to go to a niche in order to build these processes, to become experts, all of this stuff that you get from becoming a niche law firm. How long do you think that they should wait in order to make that leap?
Such a good question, and I want to cling on to what you yourself said and what I've experienced, and I'll talk about a book as well. Most mentors and coaches, they'll say you need to niche, and it's very frustrating to me because they typically didn't start off niching. They went through an iterative experience. For myself, I did affiliate marketing for hundreds of sites, worked with many industries, home services, everything, construction, and then found legal, and then found a sub area of legal, personal injury. You had, you the home services and these appointments, and then you found your niche in legal. You have to have these experiences to find your purpose, your passion, and where you can generate a profit. You have to have all three. If you pick a good, a niche and you can't make a profit, it's not a business, it's a hobby. If you have an area that can generate a profit, but you hate it, you have to push yourself to get out of bed to even go to work, it's not going to be successful because you're not going to do the things needed to make it succeed. And for me, you have to have these experiences to find what works best for you. So there's this book, it's called Range by David Epstein. It talks about, in his book, he uses the example of Rafael Nadal, the famous tennis player. And his parents put him in all kinds of sports. They put him in basketball and baseball and all these sports. And he was phenomenal at tennis, and he focused in on tennis. Can you imagine if his parents just put him in basketball or maybe just baseball? Like, he's a great athlete. Maybe it would have been good in those sports, but would he been the standout that he is in tennis? We'll never know, but I would say that chances are probably very low that he would be, right? So I think that you have to have these experiences determine where you have a passion, where you can generate profit, and that's what the name of the game is.